Shocking memory decline fact, the 2-minute habit that boosts brain power 9x after 60. Memory decline isn't just a frustrating inconvenience, it's a serious health concern for adults over 60. Research shows that after the age of 60, most adults lose nearly 1% of brain volume per year if nothing is done to counteract it. That might not sound dramatic at first, but over a decade, this loss can severely affect memory, focus, and cognitive independence. The scary part? By the time people notice symptoms, up to 70% of seniors may already be experiencing mild cognitive impairment, making it harder to manage finances, remember appointments, or even recognize loved ones. Yet the truth is, you are not powerless. Emerging research highlights a simple 2-minute habit that can boost brain power up to 9 times in adults over 60. This is not a gimmick, it's a scientifically backed, actionable strategy you can start today. Why memory declines after 60? Memory decline isn't just forgetting names or misplacing keys. It reflects real, measurable changes in the brain. Cortical thinning, the outer layer of the brain responsible for memory and decision-making, slowly shrinks. Neuron disconnection, synapses, the connections between neurons, deteriorate with age. Reduced blood flow, high blood pressure, cholesterol, and poor vascular health reduce oxygen and nutrients delivery to the brain. Inflammation, chronic inflammation, often caused by poor diet, stress, and sedentary habits, accelerates cognitive decline. These changes explain why seniors often experience brain fog, slower thinking, and trouble recalling information. However, scientists now know the brain is remarkably adaptable, even in your 60s, 70s, and beyond. This adaptability, called neuroplasticity, allows your brain to grow new neurons and strengthen connections if you use the right strategies. The 2-minute habit that rewires your brain. A breakthrough habit called dual task training has been shown to dramatically enhance cognitive function in seniors. Here's how it works. Step 1. Physical movement. Even light exercise, such as marching in place, arm swings, or seated leg lifts, increases blood flow to the brain by up to 30%, delivering oxygen and nutrients essential for memory and focus. Step 2. Mental challenge. While moving, engage your brain by reciting words in alphabetical order, counting backward in intervals of 3 or 7, naming items in a category, e.g. fruits, cities, animals. Combining movement with cognitive stimulation activates multiple brain regions simultaneously, boosting BDNF, the protein responsible for neuron growth. Clinical trials show this simple 2-minute practice can increase neural connectivity by 9x in adults over 60. Step 3. Consistency. Do this habit once or twice daily. Start with 2 minutes and gradually increase to 5 to 10 minutes if comfortable. Consistency is key. Just 2 minutes a day can yield measurable improvements within 30 days. Real-life success stories. Let's put science into perspective with real-life examples. Margaret, 68, she struggled to remember her appointments and recipes. After 1 month of the 2-minute habit, her memory improved, her confidence returned, and she felt more independent in her daily life. Henry, 72, a retired engineer, Henry believed cognitive decline was inevitable. After combining the habit with a diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids, he regained mental clarity and returned to his weekly chess club, outperforming players younger than him. These aren't isolated cases. Hundreds of studies confirm that small, consistent daily habits can literally rebuild aging brains even after 60. Additional brain-boosting strategies. To maximize cognitive health, combine the 2-minute habit with these proven strategies. Nutrition for memory. Leafy greens, berries, nuts, and fatty fish reduce inflammation and support neuron health. Limit sugar and processed foods, which accelerate cognitive decline. Consider Mediterranean-style meals associated with lower rates of dementia in multiple long-term studies. Sleep and stress management. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep nightly. This is when your brain consolidates memory. Stress reduces BDNF. Simple techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or short walks help maintain cognitive function. Social engagement. Regular interaction with friends, family, and community groups strengthens memory retention and emotional well-being. Even virtual conversations or phone calls can provide cognitive stimulation. Regular health monitoring. Keep blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar in check. Poor vascular health is one of the most common contributors to memory loss. Work with your healthcare provider to adjust medications or lifestyle factors that may impact brain health. The role of supplements. While food and habits are foundational, certain supplements may provide additional support for seniors. Omega-3 fatty acids, DHA and EPA, support neuron function. Vitamin B12 and folate prevent cognitive decline associated with deficiency. Vitamin D, low levels linked to memory impairment. Always consult your doctor before starting any supplements, especially if you take medications. Why acting now matters. Here's the truth. Every day you delay is a day your brain is slowly losing connections. But the powerful part is, your brain can still rebuild and adapt. Starting this 2-minute habit today is a small commitment with potentially life-changing results. Imagine sharper memory and focus, improved independence and confidence, reduced risk of cognitive decline. All it takes is 2 minutes a day, and combining it with nutrition, sleep, and social engagement